people and actresses, and she's so super talented. So it's always lovely to talk to her about fashion and everything else. And today we're talking about Melange by Lifestyle. And as you can see, we're wearing the outfits and they're very comfy. So how do you feel in your outfit today?
I feel amazing, and I think the fabric and the cut and the finish is such that every girl and every working girl, non-working girl would love it and identify with it, because we are Indians and we like to tweak our sensibilities to suit the modern and the world elements of fashion. So that's exactly what Melange is, and you look great, because I usually see you in those regular Western clothes, but to wear Melange and to have this comfort within our own sensibilities is great. So I'm very comfortable, as everyone can see, that this is the easiest outfit I've worn for a ramp walk, and it was really a lot of fun this time around.
And it's so comfortable and actually makes you look very tall. So especially for this weather, it's so great. So Kabir, I wanted to ask you, how has Kangana's style sensibility impacted Melange by Lifestyle? Has there been any impact?
There's been a huge positive impact. Kangana makes us rethink everything. So she's made us rethink ethnic. So I think the impact has been extremely positive. We're extremely proud to have her support us. She's a proud Indian, proud Indian woman. So we find it to be an absolute privilege to work with her.
Lovely. Okay, so
Thank
can you
you.
tell us how your year has been, Kangana? There's been so much you've been working on. You've been very, very busy. And what have you been wearing as the face of Melange by Lifestyle? And where have you been wearing it?
My year has been quite busy, and like I just, released a film Rangoon, which did not get a very good response. So yes, a bit disappointing. But then I'm working on another very ambitious project called Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi. So we start filming for that now in month of May, and I've been wearing Melange for my all my birthday celebrations, because I was home this time with my parents doing regular pujas and just eating laddus and whatever my mother made for me. And in this weather, I felt that this is the perfect outfit for me, and to go for my meetings, to go for luncheons or suppers with my friends. This is the perfect fit that you would like, a bit loose and a bit flowy, just so that you look like a cool person and you feel cool as well. Not just the outfit, but you also cool. So yeah, that's where I'm wearing Melange.
It is very true. And actually, it's so comfortable. I'm really not joking. It's so comfortable. You can sit anywhere and just be very comfortable and casual. So, Kabir, rethink ethnic is quite a strong line. And how is that challenging women to rethink their sense of style? And how has that line affected the campaign?
I think we take a lot of inspiration from the kind of personality that Kangana is. She's bold, she's daring, she's straightforward, she's grounded, she's confident. So I think these are all the values that we want sort of women in India to imbibe. So it reflects in our collection. So it is honest, it's straightforward, and it makes you rethink everything that you've done in the past.
So Kangana, you're a huge idol for so many young women. You inspire so many to be like, I can do anything, literally, if Kangana
So
can
are
do
you,
it.
Malini. So are you. I mean, you just received this honor you were telling me about, and we are very proud of women who are taking the nation forward in their respective fields, and I'm no exception. I mean, I'm equally in awe of you. Thank you.
Oh, that's a huge compliment. So what do you feel is, your take on young Indian women today? What do they like? What is the change that you've seen in them?
Uh, I think we are the young India, and women want to participate equally with everything that's going on, with the development of the country and, every other activity. So I think we want to, step out of our houses and we participate, even if it is for the betterment of our families. And that's what we seek. We seek comfort, we seek our own roots, and we seek futuristic fashion as well within our own ethnic sensibilities, because we don't want to abandon who we are. And that's what a true young Indian woman is about. Yeah, and that's what Melange by Lifestyle is about, you know, because I don't see any other brand which is taking us into the future, you know, like either you're wearing Indian and you're feeling like you're from your, you know, grandparents' age, or you are wearing things that are hardly, you know, Indian. But this is for urban Indian women who identify with their roots and they long for them, but yet look into the future. So that's what, yeah, we do.
And of course, Kabir, everyone knows that Kangana is a huge style, you know.
So many of the pieces, that those the ones that come for the trials, even yesterday, the ones that came in, I think I've taken some 5-6 pieces. I go back home, I travel, I go to the airports, you know, it's the most comfortable and convenient thing to do, and you know, go for meetings. And before my makeup, when I enter my van and the way I sit for my makeup, it's work outfit, and yet it doesn't make me look like I don't care, you know, it doesn't make me look like a lame person who's just doesn't care, you know, like I want to present myself well. So Melange is the answer, and I've taken so many of their clothes.
And what advice would you give young women today? How do they rethink ethnic? How do they reimagine themselves?
I think they should go on, you know, depicting their own sensibilities and not just, you know, be restricted to what is offered to them. And that's what Melange provides them. You know, you can go to a store, you can mix match, you can wear designer's hat, and you can, you know, make your own. You know, every piece is individual in its own way and in its own right. And the way I've put it together, like I can wear these plazos, white plazos again, and I can just use this as a dress with a stole. So you can, you know, sort of be your own designer. And so that's what I think is important, to have your own sense of style and not just follow the rules. And Melange does that. They don't give you set, you know, set of clothes to wear, and, you know, so you can experiment like that.
I love that. I love the concept of mix and match. And was that something that you did intentionally?
Yes, so I think what we believe.
Thank you, Malini.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Malini.
much,
Thank you
Kabir.
very much.
Thank you, Ms. Malini, for joining us in this conversation. I'm sure everyone here has enjoyed this tete-a-tete as much as I have. Thank you once again for hosting the session.
I think, should we move a chair? Can we have someone? Move a chair?
Okay.
All right, please, would you like to have a seat? All right, so I think if you raise your hand, then we can get a microphone to you to ask a question. All right, if anyone has a question, they can raise their hand and we'll get a microphone. Yeah. Okay, can we just have a little bit of silence so she can ask a question? Thank you very much.
Okay, can we do answers?
Go ahead. Go ahead, you can ask your question. Go ahead.
Hi. Kangana, this is Priyanka.
Hi, Priyanka.
You've never shied away from talking about issues which are prevalent. And you know, something which is so rampant but less talked about is sexual harassment at work. And now when something is in the industry, with Vikas Bahl being at the center of allegation of sexual molestation, as a woman and as someone who's part of the industry and worked with Vikas, what do you have to say on that?
Well, we are here to talk about a brand, and what you're talking about is a very serious issue. And like I said, you know, I can only say that whoever faces a situation like this, it's very courageous of a woman to come out and speak about it. More and more people, I mean, not regards to this event, because I don't know, you know, like I said, I'm not the party involved in this. But generally speaking, that, you know, if women are facing these situations, they should be encouraged, A, to talk about it, and B, you know, by the families, by their environment, and by their colleagues. They shouldn't be shamed, and we need more and more women to come out and, talk about whatever they feel, because that's how the awareness will come about these issues. That's how I feel, and of course, there will always be another side to the story. And then there are people, there are authorities who can decide what the right thing is. I mean, but people should speak up, whatever they feel, whether they're right or they're wrong, they must speak up and discuss it. Yeah.
All right, thank you. Does anyone have a question about the collection? Since we're here to talk about fashion, we're going to pass you the microphone. And I would request you to keep it to fashion and the collection because I know you want to know about this too. Gentlemen?
कंगना, आपने अभी हाल ही में बताया कि आप अगली फिल्म की शूटिंग शुरू कर रही हैं मणिकर्णिका,
जी।
क्वीन ऑफ झांसी। हमने सुना है कि आप उसको को-डायरेक्ट भी कर रहे हैं और हाल ही में एक वीडियो आया था जिसके लिए आप तैयारी कर रही हैं महालक्ष्मी रेस कोर्स में, तो उसके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे।
देखिए, मैं जो मेरी फिल्म सिमरन है उसमें मैंने एज एन एक्टर एंड एज अ कोलैबोरेटर आई हैव कोलैबोरेटेड ऑन द स्क्रिप्ट ऑल्सो एंड आई हैव कोलैबोरेटेड ऑन अदर एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ मेकिंग ऑल्सो। लेकिन मणिकर्णिका जो है उसमें मेरी कोलैबोरेशन की बिल्कुल भी कोई बात नहीं हुई है। वो जो राइटर हैं विजेंद्र सर, वो या क्रिश हैं, वो लोग अपना काम कर रहे हैं। उसमें मुझे लगा नहीं कि मैं कोलैबोरेट कर सकती हूँ और एज अ डायरेक्टर और एज अ राइटर मुझे लगा ही नहीं, सो आई एम नॉट कोलैबोरेटिंग ऑन दैट। एंड ऑल्सो आई एम नॉट एम्बेरस्ड टू से कि येस आई कोलैबोरेटेड ऑन फिल्म लाइक सिमरन और अ फिल्म लाइक क्वीन, but in a film like Manikarnika, I as a creative individual feel that I cannot collaborate other than as an actor. So there I stay out of it in a very, in a way that makes our projects what we want to, So that is it. I hope that answers your question.
All right, I think there's a girl in the back who wanted to ask a question on fashion. She had a hand raised for a while. I think she's next to you, no? The MC? No, behind you.
Hi, Kangna.
Hi.
So, Kangna, I just wanted to ask that recently Mahesh Bhatt has backed you up about the nepotism code. So, what do you have to say about that? Because initially...
So just a request, we really do want a question on fashion. So we are here to talk about style and fashion. It's really not the platform. So can I have someone who has a question on fashion? The gentleman in the yellow is quite fashionable in his yellow shirt.
Hello, how are you?
हाय कंगना जी।
Hi.
कंगना जी, क्योंकि हम सभी जानते हैं कि हर लड़की का सपना होता है कि वो शादी के मौके पर जो है वो क्वीन दिखे, क्वीन की तरह बने। क्योंकि आप भी शादी करने वाली हैं, तो लाइफस्टाइल के कलेक्शन देखेंगे या कौन से गेटअप में आप हमें दिखाई देने वाली हैं?
Well, definitely Indian. So I think every girl who's an Indian wants to be at least one ceremony of her wedding in Indian wear. So yes, definitely.
So I'm going to ask you a question about fashion now. So what do you
Yes.
think is going to be the evolution of the Indian girl? How is she going to continue to rethink ethnic? What's going to be next?
I think the future is in having your own style of sense, because I feel everyone in these days is a star of their own world. They have their own accounts, their own Instagrams, their own fan followings, or their social circle. And everyone has even, they know camera angles from lighting. So I like this sort of, even stardom is a lot more democratic now. So everyone has to have their own interpretation to it. And Melange will be able to, help all budding designers and stars out there to increase your followers and to look amazingly, it's like have an individual personality and an expression to your style.
Thank you so much, and thank you all for joining us. There's a Facebook Live coming up, which you can watch, and you can like, and you can leave some comments. So thank you very much for being here.
Yeah,
we had a wonderful time at Melange by Lifestyle.
Thank you, Malini. About the lady who'd asked me about the question. So I would like to say that such discussions, like I answered my earlier question, that such discussions are very important these days, and it is not to object to anybody's preferences. I'm talking to you, please look at me, because I'm personally answering your question, just so that you can be satisfied. So, so it's not an objection. If you're talking about nepotism, it's an observation. I, as an individual, my prerogative is to leave my footprints behind for the ones who will follow me. And it's important that they know where I fell, where I walked, where I stayed, and where I ran. So it's important for me that I talk about my own experiences, not to say that, you know, people should not do what they like to do, but to make, you know, what is relevant should be relevant, not because someone doesn't speak English or someone has sweat patches because they've come in a rickshaw for an audition, or someone is sharing an apartment with 10 people in an uncool location. They shouldn't be shamed for that, and the doors shouldn't be shut on their faces because of that. And I feel why I was avoiding it, because it's a long answer, but also the fact that that today in an industry we have a lot more democratic environment is also because of people like us who've been working at it. I see newcomers easily say, भाई मैं इंग्लिश में बात नहीं कर सकता, मैं तो हिंदी में ही बात करूँगा, you know. So it's because we have made it appear cool, isn't it? So we are going to make outsiders feel and appear cooler, and that is my prerogative as an individual. If I don't do that, then, you know, I'm not, you know, what is the purpose of my journey? So this is a healthy talk. I mean, what Bhatt Sahab said is his perspective, and everyone has had perspectives to it, but outsiders who come in, outsiders as in, what is an outsider? There's nothing called an outsider. We're all working to make cinema, you know, and anyone who's working for some other intention is an outsider. So A, I don't consider myself an outsider. B, whoever comes from unconventional background, they should work towards it and not call themselves, oh, we've been lucky enough because we did not face any discrimination, or, oh, you know, we were the chosen ones because, you know, industry has accepted us with open hands. No, because people like us have been working at it. You know, if today people are working with actresses who come from, you know, indie film backgrounds or are niche, so-called niche backgrounds, it's because we have made it mainstream today. Today we can say that a film like Queen has been made mainstream because people worked at it. So we should all work at it, you know, and not to point fingers and not to make it sound like a fight, but to make the society more democratic for everyone. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. A round of applause for the bold and beautiful Kangana Ranaut. Thank you so much. Melange by Lifestyle.
Thank you.
Make sure you watch that Facebook Live. It's coming up.
Thank you so much, Kangana, and thank you, Ms. Malini. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This brings us to the end of the conference. It was a pleasure having you here. I request you all to join